The great thing about pentatonic melodies, those that can work on just the black notes with 5 notes, is that you can use them to develop the ability to hear 2 different things at once, which is very important to musicians. So if you're a singer in the style of Mariah Carey and you're embellishing notes all the time, you're decorating them, then you need to be able to hear the chords and the band behind you and check that your notes fit with that. If you're in a choir, especially if you're singing a cappella unaccompanied, you need to be able to hear the other voices and check that you're in tune with them. If you're an organist or a pianist improvising, you need a bass and a melody at the same time. How are we going to do this? Well, I'm going to play the tune and sing it back as an echo, as a canon. Oh, tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Can I play it as a canon? Adapt it as you wish. What about in the verse? Instead of having a major key, could we have a minor for contrast? So in other words, can we reharmonise as well? Which means then we get a word like holy light. There shone a holy light. We can have a magical chord. And you can paint the words with your chords. Let's see if we can add that all into an improvisation.